Hi guys, how are you? So I have a couple of boxes that I need to unbox, and today we have Sephora Play, and this one is for February 2018. Yes. So I have the box right here, and this one is at $10 a month. If you want to watch a preview of the other ones that I did for $10 a month, you can see them, or wait until like the end of the month and I put all my $10 boxes, subscription boxes, in a video, and I make it really brief for you guys to see which one I like the month of whatever month it is. So I'm gonna open right on this, and so that the video doesn't take too long. And I always have such a hard time opening the boxes lately, I don't know why. So as soon as you open it, it comes like that, and it has different things there. So it has this little brochure that gives you the 50 Beauty Insider points. As I said before, I went with this card to see if I could buy something, but everything was like more than $10. So I decided not to buy anything because I don't really need the 50 points. So here's a little preview of where we're gonna open in this box, and we're gonna watch that later, read about it. We have this little baggie, says Feel the Love, Sephora Play, and let's see. The first thing we have is this, and I believe I got it before, Vanille Intense Atier Cologne, and it's a cologne, comes with like a little postcard. It's cute. And let's smell it, because when it comes to a cologne, I'm really picky of the, the smells of it. So let's put a little bit. I have nothing. Oh, I hate when they don't come in spritzers. This is like such a mess to happen. And so it's okay. I mean, I don't really care for it too much. It's very light, so if you don't like dark, dark. I keep on saying as if I'm looking at it, but if you don't like those like intense flavors, this one might be for you. I just don't know. I don't really care for it. It's too like soft for me. It's not. It's like baby powder. That's what it smells like. And let's put that on the side. So the next thing we have is NARS Velvet Lip Pencil. So nice. This is cute. Right there. Let's see. Whoa. That's a very nice size. And I like the color if it's that color. Let's swatch this. Really pretty. Like I even want to put it right now. You guys see? It's matte. Has no smell. I don't know why I was thinking that it might smell like flowers. The color, does it say the color? Let's go crazy. I like the color. I'm a little bit crazy already, so let's not go too crazy then. Let's see the next one. Oh, we're getting like already two things that I like because it's makeup related. I usually get like skin things. So this one is Sephora, and I've been getting like one of these every box. Matte, I guess. Rebel Chick. Yes, I'm a rebel. And it's a very nice Sephora. Like the touch of it is like very velvety. And whoa, this is an intense color, and it's pretty good for being a sample. And let's put it next to the other one. And yes, it's much more intense than the other one that I just applied. Pretty good. Very soft. I love this. It's like matte also on the outside. The color does smell like flowers though. So that's great. I like those two already. This one is Peter Thomas Roth and Peeling Gel Exfoliant. So I want to actually start using all this and maybe I'm thinking of like using one different sample per week, and I don't know if you guys are interested in me doing that, because I have so many different samples of everything that I'm like, how can I use it? So if you guys are interested in seeing like a series of like trying different things every week, please let me know, and I will let you you know, come with me and try all of these things. The third thing is this little sample that seems like it's empty inside, because half of it is really nothing. So this one is Believe. It's a 5 milliliter eye balm. So yeah, when it comes to eyes, you don't really need that much, and it smells like, I know you guys cannot smell, but it smells like mint, very minty. And then the last thing, which is Laura Mercier, and I feel like I got this one before. Let's see, it has like a little peel thing here. Let's put it on the side, and let's see how this opens. Oh, nice. I haven't gotten this one. This is like a pencil. The one that I got was, whoa, really nice. Obviously that's probably for the eyes. Very shimmery. I love it. Now let's see how much it actually brings. See, it seems like a very abundant size for an eye. And let's see. I mean, I don't think there's anything more. So there's 5 samples, and let's go into this little magazine that tells you all about it. So for this month is makeup swatch, good for 1. You look 100. So nice. Has all those things there. And then on this side, we're gonna talk about the products that we got. So this one is the Rosé Way, which is the Laura Mercier. Is a caviar stick eye color in rose gold. I like rose gold. A long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick in a shimmery pink champagne shade that delivers a subtle sweep of color. Why you will love it. This easy to use eye stick is perfect for highlighting the corners of your eyes and along your brow bones. I don't know if I would put it on my eyebrows. I don't like that look when it's too shimmery here. And it adds a hint of color to your lids, just enough to make your eyes sparkle. How to use: swipe directly onto your eyelids and blend with your finger, or trace along the inner corners and along your brow bones. The second thing, we have the Sephora little sample, and this is a Sephora collection in Rebel Cheek, a super matte yet ultra conditioning lip stick in a flattering long-lasting berry shade, and it actually smells like berries. It's funny. Why you will love it. Looking for an extra matte lip shade that also moisturizes and doesn't feel chalky on your lips, we have found it for you. Plus, this berry hue is flattering on every skin tone. So I obviously know how to apply that, but if you guys don't, then we have serious problems. Just apply it on their lips. We have the next one, which I'm actually happy to have gotten, is this one, the NARS Pink Me NARS Velvet Lip Pencil in Let's Go Crazy, a creamy coat classic lip pencil in a paradise pink shade for a bright matte color. Why you will love it is this lips pencil have become well-known favorite in the beauty industry to their smooth, comfortable formula and trend-setting colors. This bright berry is shocking, warily, don't shy, give it a try. So that's nice. The next thing that we have is Radiance Revealed by Peter Thomas Roth, the peeling gel and exfoliating gel powered by multiple fruit enzymes to reveal glowy complexion. Why you will love it. One use of this resurfacing peel and you will be able to stop touching your face. So basically leaves your space ultra smooth. Pineapple and pomegranate enzyme help clear clogged pores and reveal dead skin cells for softening skin ever. Nice. I need that. This one is See You Later Circles. Believe, the moisturizing eye balm. A lightweight eye cream for a boost of moisture and refresh looked eye. but you will love it whether you're feeling tired or dehydrated. A few dabs of this botanical infused formula will revive area around the eyes for a firmer appearance. It also appears prep to makeup application, so I can use that before the makeup, and that's awesome. And then for the cologne, it's Vanilla Land, and that's why I didn't like it, because I don't like vanilla. So this is a sweet vanilla combined with jasmine and oak to create a magical and electric fragrance. I don't know, it's super light, guys. Like, I cannot like tell you enough. Like, I feel like I have nothing. It smells like baby powder. Atier Cologne is a perfume house dedicated to create the pure colognes that mix citrus herbal ingredients. The brand uses rare and unexpected extracts to create scents that embody specific moments, emotions, and memories. So nice. So what did you think about this month? I really enjoy that I did get more makeup-y stuff. I still got 2 things for the face and a cologne that I really didn't care for, but the makeup makes up for it. So if you guys like this box, please give a thumbs up, and if you like this video, also comment below if you would like to see the series on doing different things on my face. So I will see you back later. Have a good night. Bye.